Now, I'm just walking up to you, Woody. Just see what you do. I don't want to frighten you. I don't want to frighten you. It's all right. It's all right, Wood. It's okay. I won't frighten you. There you are. Hello, Woody. Hello, Wood. Hello, Woody. Hello, Wood. Hello, Woody. Hello. I just wonder if I haven't got any. Next time I'll put some seed in my hand and see what you do. There you go. You're going to fly up now. You're going to fly up? Don't worry, Wood. I'm not going to hurt you. Mummy won't hurt you. Mummy just a little bit worried about you. That you're not as active as you should be. But then maybe this is just the way you are. Hey? How are you going? All right? Hey, Wood? There you are. I'll leave you be now. I'll leave you be. You're going to fly up? I'll leave you to fly up. I'll get away from you now. I don't want you to feel hemmed in, so I'll leave you now, all right? I'll come back a little later to see if you're back. Still here, all right? Bye, Woody.